Time's up. Show me what you managed to do. Lily did pretty well, but your bike's a little melted. So, no. Zach, what about you? That's just some red thing. Did you really think you could win with that? No way.
Okay.
Susie, what do you have there? Wow, your bike looks just like the real one. You definitely deserve this win. The bike is yours. Hooray! Thanks so much. I already want to ride it. Can't forget to wear a helmet. Well, here I go. Uh-oh. I think Susie forgot how to ride. Hope she's not hurt too bad. Although this doesn't look good. I'm fine. I'm alive. I'm not even really that dizzy. Or maybe I do.